The 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon is a groundbreaking hypercar that redefines the limits of automotive performance, luxury, and engineering. As the successor to the legendary Chiron, the Tourbillon pushes the boundaries of speed, technology, and design, blending a massive, naturally aspirated V16 engine with a sophisticated hybrid system to deliver nearly 1,800 horsepower. This combination of raw power and cutting-edge electrification ensures lightning-fast acceleration, exceptional top-end speed, and unprecedented torque delivery, making it one of the most powerful and advanced hypercars in automotive history. Every aspect of the Tourbillon has been meticulously engineered for performance, from its aerodynamic body to its lightweight carbon fiber monocoque, which enhances rigidity and reduces weight, ensuring perfect handling at extreme speeds. The exterior design is both aggressive and elegant, with a low, wide stance that emphasizes stability and road presence. The iconic Bugatti horseshoe grille remains a central design element, flanked by sleek LED headlights and sculpted air intakes that improve cooling and aerodynamics. The flowing body lines guide airflow efficiently across the car, while the rear features a full-width LED taillight, central exhaust outlets, and an active rear wing that adjusts to optimize downforce and stability. Every curve and contour is a result of precision engineering and aerodynamic optimization, blending form and function seamlessly. Inside, the Tourbillon combines luxury craftsmanship with high-performance functionality. The cabin features hand-stitched leather surfaces, exposed carbon fiber trim, and precision-machined aluminum controls, creating an environment that is both luxurious and purpose-driven. The driver-centric cockpit includes a flat-bottom steering wheel with the Bugatti logo, Swiss watch-inspired analog gauges, and a minimalist digital display that provides all essential information while maintaining a mechanical connection to the vehicle. Attention to detail extends to every element of the interior, from ambient LED lighting to the center console equipped with performance selectors, ensuring that every interaction is intuitive and luxurious. The hybrid system is integrated seamlessly with the V16 engine, providing instant electric torque to complement the combustion engine's immense power. This setup not only improves acceleration and responsiveness, but also enhances efficiency and drivability in urban and high-speed environments. The powertrain is paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system, torque vectoring, and carbon ceramic brakes, ensuring that the immense performance can be harnessed safely and effectively. Driving the Tourbillon is an experience unlike any other, offering extreme speed, precision handling, and a connection to the car that feels both natural and exhilarating. Bugatti's engineers have also prioritized safety and reliability, using cutting-edge materials and construction techniques to maintain structural integrity at high speeds. Each Tourbillon is hand-assembled, ensuring attention to detail and quality that matches its extreme performance. The limited production run of just 250 units worldwide adds an element of exclusivity and collectability, making the Tourbillon not only a performance machine, but also a prestigious work of automotive art. On the road, the Tourbillon offers a dynamic driving experience, whether accelerating down a straightaway, cornering at high speeds, or cruising in comfort. The hybrid system allows for smoother, more efficient driving in urban settings, while the pure power of the V16 engine is unleashed when desired, offering unmatched performance and thrill. Advanced suspension systems, aerodynamic tuning, and tire technology work together to provide exceptional grip, stability, and control, even under extreme conditions. The Tourbillon is also a technological showcase, integrating the latest advancements in hybrid systems, aerodynamics, and materials science. From the lightweight carbon fiber monocoque to the precise calibration of the suspension and braking systems, every component is designed to enhance performance while maintaining the elegance and luxury that Bugatti is known for. Beyond performance, the Bugatti Tourbillon is a statement of design, exclusivity, and innovation. Its bold, sculpted exterior commands attention, while the luxurious and purposeful interior ensures that occupants experience the pinnacle of automotive craftsmanship. Owning a Tourbillon is not just about speed or luxury, it is about being part of an exclusive legacy that represents the highest standards of engineering and artistry in the automotive world. The Tourbillon also incorporates advanced driver aids, including adaptive systems and intelligent aerodynamics, which enhance safety and performance without compromising the pure driving experience. Every drive is an event, from the visceral sound of the V16 engine to the smooth, instantaneous delivery of hybrid torque, creating an unforgettable experience for drivers and passengers alike. In conclusion, the 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon is more than a hypercar. It is a fusion of art, technology, and engineering mastery. With its powerful hybrid V16 engine, aerodynamic precision, luxurious interior, and exclusive production, the Tourbillon redefines what is possible in the world of high-performance automobiles. It is a car built not only for speed and performance, but also for those who demand innovation, craftsmanship, and an unparalleled driving experience. The Tourbillon stands as a testament to Bugatti's relentless pursuit of excellence and its commitment to pushing the boundaries of what a hypercar can be, making it a truly iconic vehicle for the modern era and a collector's dream for enthusiasts around the world. Every detail, from the engine note to the cabin finishes, has been meticulously crafted to ensure that the Bugatti Tourbillon offers an experience unlike any other, delivering both performance and prestige in a way that only Bugatti can achieve.